This is lesson 6, one sound, different spellings. So we're going to find some of the different ways to spell the sound A. So what sound are we listening for?
A.
Good. These are the sounds where you need to build the word rain. N, A, R. Can you build the word rain for me? And say the sounds as you put them down.
R. A. N.
Excellent.
Rain.
Well done. Let's say the sounds and read the word.
R. A. N. Rain.
Excellent. Well done. And what sound does this make?
A.
Good. These are the sounds that I need to build the word great. A. G. R. T. Can you build the word great for me? Say the sounds as you build the word.
Good. R. A. Great.
Well done. Let's say the sounds and read the word again.
Good. R. A. T. Great.
Beautiful. So what sound does this make?
A.
And what sound does this make?
A.
So how many different ways do we have to make the sound A, to spell the sound A?
2.
Great, well done. Now these are the sounds we need to build the word play. A, L. Can you build the word play for me?
U.
Beautiful.
A.
Well done.
Play.
Let's say the sounds and read the word again.
U. A. Play.
Well done. What sound does this make?
A.
What sound is this?
A.
What sound is this?
A.
So how many different ways do we have to spell the sound A?
3.
Very good. Now I'm going to show you a word that is not spelled correctly, but you can still read it. This here is A. We say A when we get to this one. B, A, K. Bake. Can you read it for me?
B. A. K. Bake.
Excellent. So a long time ago, the word used to be spelled this way. However, someone decided that it would be better if we split off this letter here and we put it on the end of the word. Can you do that for me? Can you cut that and split it and put it on the end of the word? Very good, well done. So we say A when we get to the first part of the spelling, when we get to here. B, A, K, bake. Can you have a try?
B. A. K. Bake.
Excellent, well done. So what does this spelling say?
A.
And this one?
A.
This one?
A.
And this one?
A.
Good. How many different ways do we have to make the spelling A?
4.
To spell the sound A. We do, we have 4. Very good. I'd like you to have a go at writing the word rain. And I'd like you to say all the sounds as you write them.
R. A. N. Rain.
Good. This is say
R. A. N. Rain.
Excellent. Have a try at writing the word Great. And say the sounds as you write.
Good. A. T. Great.
Excellent. Let's read it one more time.
Good. A. T. Great.
Beautiful. Have a try at writing play.
A. Play.
Excellent. Read it one more time.
A. Play.
Very good. And bake.
A. K. No, that's wrong.
This is k. Say k. Yeah.
A. K. Bake.
Good.
A. Bake.
Bake. Very good. Well done. Last thing, I'd like you to underline each of the sounds, each of the spellings that make A in each word. Can you underline A? Very good. Well done. Beautiful. Excellent. Well done. Thanks.